It's quick and easy to sign up to submit registrations that provide the opportunity to file petitions for H-1B workers as an attorney or accredited representative. First, go to my.uscis.gov. If you already have a MyUSCIS account, click Sign In and enter your email and password. If you don't have an account, click Sign Up and follow the instructions to create your account. If you have an account, choose how you would like to receive your verification code and enter it when you receive it. Next, select your account type. I am a legal representative, and confirm that you are an attorney or accredited representative. If you received a USCIS account acceptance notice after previously filing petitions or applications by paper, that document has the information necessary to link your account now. Only some paper-filed forms are eligible for linking to your online account. Enter the online access code listed on the notice, along with the date you were accredited or your bar number as appropriate. If you do not have an online access code, simply press Create Account. Next, you will enter your personal information and address. After that, you will choose whether you are an attorney or accredited representative, and then enter your organization name, contact information, and notification preferences. Then, you will have the chance to review all the information you have provided and certify that it is complete and correct. Now it's time to register your clients. Click Add a Client to My Account. Next, choose which type of client you would like to add. For the H-1B registration process, you will select Company and then enter your client's information. Now you can start the H-1B registration process. Select H-1B registration and then Start Form. After reading through the H-1B overview screens, click Start to create your registration. On the following screens, you will provide information about the prospective petitioning company, the authorized signatory, and the beneficiary. After you have provided information about the beneficiary, click Save Entry. You can add registrations for additional beneficiaries and effectively create a batch submission by clicking Add Another Beneficiary. You can submit registrations for up to 250 beneficiaries per submission. In other words, up to 250 registrations in one batch. If you wish to submit registrations for more than 250 beneficiaries, simply repeat the entire registration process to create a new batch of registrations for the additional beneficiaries. You'll have the chance to review your registration or registrations before submission. A red alert message will let you know that you have not completed all fields and required information. A green alert means you can proceed to the next step. Next, you'll review and certify the registration or registrations. The next step is to fill out your G28, Notice of Entry of Appearance as Attorney or Accredited Representative. After you complete the G28, you will be given a one-time passcode to provide to your client, the prospective petitioner, on whose behalf you are attempting to submit the H-1B registration or registrations. Your client will need to sign up for a registrant account type and then enter this passcode within 30 days to add you as a representative. Your client can then review the G28 and H-1B registration or registrations. In your account, you will be able to see when your client approved and signed the G28 and H-1B registration or registrations. The final step is to pay the required fee, $10 for each registration, meaning $10 for each beneficiary registered in a batch submission. You will then be taken to the pay.gov website where you will provide your payment information and hit Submit. Congratulations! You have successfully submitted an H-1B registration. You can go into your account at any time to check the status of your registrations. You'll even be able to download a CSV file of all the beneficiaries you registered. Once you submit a registration, you won't be able to edit it. You will, however, have the ability to delete a registration, for example, if you discover an error after submission, until the time that the initial registration period closes, and submit a separate registration with a new $10 fee. You can delete an individual registration, even if submitted as part of a batch, without affecting the other registrations submitted with that batch. Deleted registrations will not have their $10 fee refunded. We will notify you by March 31st, 2020 if registrations you submitted are selected. You'll need to log into your account to view the notifications. Notifications will include one of the following 4 statuses. Submitted. A registration status may continue to show submitted after the initial selection process has been completed. Submitted registrations will remain in consideration for selection until the end of the fiscal year, at which point all registration statuses will be selected, not selected, or denied. Selected. This means you were selected to file a fiscal year 2021 H-1B cap subject petition. Not selected. This means you were not selected for this fiscal year. Denied. More than one registration was submitted for the same prospective petitioner, for the same beneficiary, and for the same fiscal year. All registrations the prospective petitioner submitted on behalf of the same beneficiary for the same fiscal year are invalid. For each initial registration period, we will announce the anticipated opening and closing dates. Remember, go to my.uscis.gov to begin the registration process.